Right here I got a men's Cuervo y Sobrinos diamond watch. This isn't a watch I really deal with much, but it's a very flashy watch. All factory set VS1 diamonds, sapphire crystal automatic movement. Casing's approximately 32 millimeters wide by 53 long. Got your factory crocodile band. Here's your back casing right here too. Here's your serial number on the bottom. Oh, also this is called the Prominente edition. Again, this is a very nice watch. It's actually already sold. Just put it on here in case you want to check it out. I'm trying to get some kind of idea of what it looks like. Yeah, very nice watch. Dial's I guess like a bronze coffee color. Very nice. Again, this watch did sell, so just posting it in case you want to see what it looks like. I do have other watches for sale if you're interested. Send me a text. The number's at the bottom.